Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning Electronics. In this video, we are going to solve third numerical based on op-amp integrator. In the previous classes, we have already solved two numericals related to op-amp integrator. So if you want to see that videos, you can check it in the description box below or you can go to the channel playlist. So before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get more updated videos from here. So question number 3 on op-amp integrator is find the resistance R1 and RF in lossy integrator so that peak gain is 20 dB and the gain is 3 dB down from its peak when omega is equal to 10,000 radian per second. Use capacitance value is equal to 0.01 microfarad. Here we have to find out the value of R1 and RF for lossy integrator. Practical integrator is also called as lossy integrator. So in the lossy integrator, the peak gain is given 20 dB. Peak gain means DC gain or maximum gain. So the maximum gain or DC gain of the practical integrator is equal to RF upon R1. But this value is given in decibels. So we have to represent this gain in decibels. So the DC gain in decibels is equal to 20 log of RF upon R1. Now we put the value of gain here in place of magnitude of gain in decibels. It will be equal to 20 dB, which is equal to 20 log of RF upon R1. This 20 and this 20 get cancelled out and we'll get RF upon R1 is equal to 10. So from here we get RF is equal to 10 into R1. Let this be equation number 1. Now again it is given that the gain is 3 dB down from its peak value when omega is equal to 10 to the power 4 radian per second. The frequency is equal to omega upon 2 pi. So it will be equal to 10 to the power 4 divided by 2 pi. So at this frequency, the gain of the integrator is 3 dB down. So the gain of the integrator is equal to 20 dB minus 3 dB, which is equal to 17 dB. So this is the gain of the integrator when the frequency is 10 to the power 4 divided by 2 pi hertz. Now this is the gain equation we have derived in the practical integrator lecture. So mod of gain is equal to RF upon R1 whole divided by under root 2 pi f CF RF whole square plus 1. Now we will put f is equal to 10 to the power 4 divided by 2 pi here and CF is equal to 0.01 microfarad here and RF upon R1 from equation number 1 is equal to 10. So magnitude of gain will be equal to 10 whole divided by under root 2 pi into 10 to the power 4 divided by 2 pi into 0.01 into 10 to the power minus 6 RF whole square plus 1. So this is the equation we are getting. This 2 pi and this 2 pi get cancelled out and from here we will get magnitude of A is equal to 10 divided by under root 10 to the power minus 4 RF square plus 1. Now this value is not in decibels. We have to convert this value in decibels so that we can put the value of gain in decibel is equal to 17 dB in place of this gain. So we take this gain equation in decibels. Magnitude of gain in decibels will be equal to 20 log of 10 whole divided by under root 10 to the power minus 4 RF square plus 1. This gain in decibels is 17 dB, which is equal to 20 log of 10 minus 20 log of 10 to the power minus 4 RF square plus 1 under root. Now this 20 log of 10 equal to 20 minus this 1 by 2 will come here and this 2 get divided with this 20. We will get 10 log of 10 to the power minus 4 RF square plus 1 is equal to 17. Now this equation can be written as this 20 minus 17 is equal to 3 dB. This equation can be written as log of 10 to the power minus 4 RF square plus 1 is equal to 3 by 10. So when we shift this log in this side, so we will get 10 to the power minus 4 RF square plus 1 is equal to 10 to the power 0.3. So this 10 to the power 0.3 is equal to 1.99. It will be equal to 10 to the power minus 4 RF square plus 1. This can be written as 10 to the power minus 4 RF square is equal to 0.99. So when we square root this 0.99, it will be 0.99 only. So 0.99 is equal to 10 to the power minus 4 RF we will get, and RF will be equal to 0.99 divided by 10 to the power minus 4, which is equal to 10 to the power 4 approximately. So we are getting resistance RF is equal to 10 kilo ohm. We got from equation number 1 RF upon R1 is equal to 10. So from here R1 will be equal to RF by 10. We put the value of RF here, 10 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 10, which is equal to 1 kilo ohm. So R1 we are getting 1 kilo ohm and RF we are getting 10 kilo ohm. Okay, hope you have understood the numerical. Thank you very much for watching, and we are going to solve another numerical in the next class based on integrator.